everyone, Ross here. Welcome back to my channel. Making this video, it's actually the end of the day and I'm going home, but I'm making this video. This is my introduction that I never got to make this morning. We finally installed dock ramps. I don't know if you guys have seen my last videos, but the one with the 82-year-old, we had dock ramps and he made the wheels for them. But we finally put the dock in the water, and we got a video of the ATV, whatever they're called, UTV, ATV, going into the water. So if you want to see our install, please watch the video. And if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. So we've decided we're cutting the ramp. We had the piece over here. We just cut it off. We're going to bring the ramp down in two pieces because this tree is in the way, and then we're going to be putting hinges on the front of the ramp. So if there's any water movement, the ramp has a little bit of, a little bit of up and down play. Cut out all the center bracing, and we're just cutting out the last bit on the other end. And pretty soon we'll be putting this bad boy in the water.
Who's Ben?
He's Ben.
Who's Sam?
He's Sam. So we're just putting the ramps in place right now. We got the first one down, we rolled it down. We got the second one up there. That's going to be coming down. So far it's been pretty easy.
I wonder if I should get it or no.
Second ramp's going in. Dropping it in place. In front of them. There you go.
You want to hit it a couple times?
Ah! Shit! Okay, so after that little scare, the ramps are in, and shortly we're going to be welding the hinges to the plate on the ground that we installed a couple weeks ago, and to the plate of the ramps. So this way it'll allow the ramps to bobble up and down if they need to in the water. Not that I think they will, but it's always good to have. So here it is, guys. The docks are in. The hinges are set in the ground. We just made them ourselves. And this will allow the ramps to go up and down in the water, need be. And they can also remove them by taking out the pins and store them for the winter. The final install, this staircase was not here today. It was purchased from an industrial warehouse, and ironically it fits amazing at the dock that we're working at, the cottage. So this has never happened. This is like history for me. It fits perfect. We just got to weld some brackets on it. I've got my ground on there ready to weld, and we're just gonna attach this down to the concrete. So here we go. So here we go. It's coming down, and we're gonna test it out on the ramps. See how much flex is in there. I think we're gonna have to put a support underneath, but let's take a look and see what happens. Here we go.
How's it look for the wheels?
You look good. You want to go down there and guide them?
Looks good. Yeah.
Here we go. Moment of truth. Charlie, go a little that way. Charlie. To your, go a little to your left. Your other left. Charlie, left. Keep going. Left. A little more left. Left.
He's okay, he's okay. That way, that way, that way. Bring it out.
So there we go, guys. Ramps barely flex. Watch your wheel. You're going to come off and go right into the water. You're going to tip it. Charlie, go to your left a bit. Yeah.
Back tire, that's why. Hold it straight a bit. Straight, that's one.
Yeah, you are.
How's that?
Yeah, you're good. Go right in the water. You're good. Now we're in the water. Let her rip. Great. Whoop. Bring her up. Go ahead, bring her up. You're good. If anyone's wondering, this is Lake Erie, by the way. Gorgeous day today. So we're going to try bringing the, what are these called? ATVs, UTVs? We're bringing this down, so we're going to get a video clip of it coming down. Here we go.
Okay.
Just a little bit that way. Turn your wheel a little to the right. Right.
That way?
Yeah, just a bit. Just to straighten out. Keep going. Come down. A little that way. Got lots of clearance, so don't worry about the clearance. Keep her straight. You're good. Straight. Keep the wheel straight. Keep going. Up, that way, that way. You got lots of room. Okay, go straight. Just straight, man. Straight. You're clear. You're clear, man. Right in the water. There we go. Things are nice and straight. There you have it, folks. Ramps are in,
I had it on.
and now we're going to go install the railing on the other side. So we're going to weld this angle iron and then these plates on the side of these steps. Unfortunately, I don't have anybody holding the phone, so I'm going to have to shut it off for now, but you'll see once it's done.